Miario na andiki a mohoro muthi wa Jumapili gikundi giki ni kiendekithitie gucokererio kwa Miario gatagati ka mungetaniro na thiriakri makiuga ati ni uguteithia gwetha kihonia kia mathina ma bururi.
So our position are as follows. We call for an immediate revival of the bipartisan talks and emphasize the importance of making it a multi-sectoral representation. The bipartisan talks gave Kenyans a glimmer of hope as it created a golden opportunity for issues affecting Kenyans to be deliberated and addressed. We reiterate the importance of the talks and the need for our leaders to exercise patience, soberness, selflessness that is needed to resume and see through the talks. We also wish to emphasize the need for the talks to go beyond political interests and genuinely encompass the diverse concerns and aspirations of all Kenyan citizens.
As Uchaguzi platform, we shall be providing any information needed for the bipartisan parliamentary and multi-sectoral dialogue engagement to enable our country move forward.
Gikundi giki ni gĩũkĩrĩire na njĩra nene ũhũthĩri wa hinya mukiruku harĩ kung'ethanĩra na arurungani ũndũ ũrĩa itigiite aingĩ makihonia nguraro angĩ makiurwo nĩ mĩoyo yao.
We are appalled by the alarming incidences witnessed recently where some peaceful protesters exercising their democratic right to picket were met with unnecessary force and arbitrary and unlawful arrests by the National Police Service. It is disheartening to witness such actions in a country that prides itself on upholding principles of human rights and freedom of speech, and which is sovereign by the Constitution of Kenya, in which the freedom of assembly and expression is enshrined. We call upon the authorities to respect and protect these fundamental rights, allowing peaceful demonstrations to take place without intimidation or undue restrictions.
In Miario, there was use of tear gas that was thrown into a social justice center, and it got burned down, and it was covered by the media. So was that deliberate? Was it targeting the social justice center? We also saw tear gas being directed to a school, and you saw children suffocating. I mean, were those children the protesters? And we ask for accountability in terms of the restraint by the police on where to direct the tear gas. And is it that when citizens notify the police to protest, does it mean now the date and the notification becomes a battleground? Let's say, for instance, in Kamukunji.
Oho, nimaokereire na njĩra nene ateti Miario ya kugayania muingi makimathingata kuigĩrĩrĩka.
We demand that they understand and appreciate that their officers are held in trust on behalf of Kenyans, and should they violate these ethical duties, we shall boldly and relentlessly call them out of order and take due action. Leaders should use their positions responsibly, promote unity, understanding, and constructive dialogue, rather than adding fuel to the flames of unrest.
Maya mokite rĩrĩ bũrũri ũrathithina kumana na ũrugarĩ wa kĩũteti kumana na mĩrũngano ya gũtetia thirikari.
Various civil society and religious leaders called for the repeal of the Finance Act, a call we hereby reiterate and support.
Gũkinyĩria rĩu andũ 300 nĩo maikĩtio ngono na makumi ma angĩ makiurwo nĩ mĩoyo yao. Ngwatanĩro ya Azimio rĩu mehĩtĩte gũgacokereria mĩrũrũngano kiumia gĩũkĩte mũthĩ wa gatatũ gũkũ nake President Ruto agĩkomithia mĩrũrũngano ĩno akiuga ndĩrĩ na kĩguni.
Ngatho cia mwanya nĩ tondũ wa riboti ĩyo.